This is a guided hypnosis where we're going to clean our energies with a pillar spin. And we're going to clean around all the big, essential values that we have recognized in this game. We're going to clean things that have been holding us back from experiencing highest frequency happiness, overall freedom, and many other values. And we can start by taking a deep breath. And after that we breathe out slowly. And take a deep breath in again and breathe out slowly. And we're now going to enter the silence. Visualize the word silence and look at it strongly. And with your strong intent, say to yourself, silence 3 times. Silence, silence, silence. You have entered the silence successfully. I now want you to visualize the word happy. And I want you to use your strong intent, point at the word happy, and with your strong intent, say happy 3 times. Happy, happy, happy. And recognize how you're increasing your experience of happiness, how you're fully and completely experiencing the realm of happiness. Now we're going to start running the pillar spin, and I want you to recognize that it has already started spinning anti-clockwise throughout your body. And as it continues spinning and spinning faster and growing wider, we're going to recognize that the things that are holding back the happiness are being cleaned away, and all the space that previously held ideas or concepts that was limiting your happiness is now being cleaned and replaced with happiness. Let the pillar spin grow as much as it wants to. Let it become as strong and bright as it wants to. Now continue visualizing the word happy, and again tell yourself with a strong intent, happy, 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 and increase your experience of the happiness here and now in this moment. As the pillar is cleaning away anything that is not of happiness, and you are fully and completely stepping into an experience of highest frequency, purest happiness. Now you can visualize the word neutral. And with your strong intent, point on the word neutral and tell yourself neutral 3 times. Neutral, neutral, neutral. And experience how the pillar spin is now cleaning away all the things that was hindering the neutrality, or things that were not of neutrality. And now have the experience of being in a realm of neutrality, increasingly more than ever. And see how the pillar spin is cleaning away all things that are not neutral, increasing the neutrality in you, increasing your experience of neutrality. As the pillar spin is cleaning and cleaning, you're becoming more and more happy and neutral. And now we recognize that neutrality and happiness is the same. They are both existing here and now within this moment. And we now recognize that centeredness exists within the same moment. They are all the same. And therefore, as the pillar spin is cleaning, it is now removing the things that are not centered. All things in ourselves that are not centered or hindering the centeredness is now being cleaned away. And the experience of centeredness here and now is increasing. We're being released fully and completely from uncenteredness, and fully and completely stepping into an experience of being centered, happy, neutral, here and now in this moment. And as the pillar spin are cleaning away the things that are not of this moment, releasing you from past and future, you are being more and more whole and complete here and now in this moment. Let the pillar become as big and powerful as it wants to. Now I want you to visualize the word maturity and recognize how it was a part of the same moment all along. And as the pillar spin is spinning and cleaning away things that was of immaturity, we are increasing our maturity here and now in this moment. We are now more centered, neutral, whole and complete, mature, happy in the moment than we have ever been. Recognize how your breathing has become slow and calm. You're breathing deep. You're breathing out slowly. You're breathing in slowly and out slowly again. Now visualize the word balance and recognize how that is a part of the moment. And recognize how the pillar spin is cleaning away things that was disrupting the balance, and you're increasing the balance tremendously. The pillar spin is cleaning away imbalances, and the balance is becoming complete. You are now balanced, happy, centered and neutral, here and now in the moment. Mature, whole and complete. Now visualize the word free, as in freedom. And let the pillar spin clean away all things that are hindering your freedom. Hold everything with an open hand and see how your freedom is increasing. You're free, whole and complete, happy, neutral, mature, centered here and now in this moment. You're completely relaxed, completely powerful. If there are other things you want to clean, if there are other things you want to increase, then you can do that now.